अभी हमारे बीजेपी के दोस्त अभी बोल रहे थे देश में रहना है तो पढ़ना होगा, ये गलत बात है।
No, no, take it back. No, 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 कोई भी नहीं बोल. Beg sahab, everybody respect. We are all Indians. We are all Indians, sir. We are all Indians. Please respect one another. We are all Indians. Sir, we are all Indians. Sir, आप बैठ जाओ. Sir, Beg sahab, we are all Indians, Beg sahab. Nobody will disrespect another person. Sir, please बैठ जाइए. We will not disrespect. Sir, we will not disrespect anybody. We no intention of disrespecting anybody, sir. We are all Indians, sir. Please बैठ जाइए. Please बैठ जाइए. It's already 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. It's almost lunchtime. We haven't started the agenda. बैठ जाइए. No, sir. I understand. नहीं साहब, वो लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोले. अब बैठ जाओ. वो लोग बोले, रघुनंदन साहब बोले, नहीं अब हमारे MP साहब बोले कि कोई भी नहीं बोले. If somebody has said it, sir, if Beg sahab, if somebody has said it, Raghunandan sir, no, MP साहब बोल रहे ना, कोई भी नहीं बोले. Please बैठ जाओ. वाहब साहब, बैठ जाओ. वाहब, please. Sohail साहब बैठ जाइए. No, we'll take it back. I'm telling you. Okay, please sit down. नहीं, wrong on your part. Wrong on. मौका दो. अरे is this the respect that you're giving the chair? Chair ముంగల మీరు చైర్ లెక్కేసి ఒకరికొకరు కొట్టుకున్నారు. No, wait. No, I will not give anybody a chair. I will not give. Sit down. Respect your ex officio members also here. అరే మీరు మీ ఎంపీ గారు ఉండగా మీరు టేబుల్ లేపి కొట్టుకుంటారా అండి? ఇది వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? అందరూ కూడా వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? యువర్ ఎక్స్ officio members are sitting here. No, I'm requesting. No, please. Sohail sahab, Koppula Narasimhareddy garu. Sohail sahab, 1 minute. No, I have